we are going to be watching a Karate Kid. Her name is Kylie, so let's watch her do karate. You're on video. Now she's going to do some kicks. Side kick. No. Do another one. Do like everything, you know. Okay. That was Karate Kid. Now we're going to watch the gymnastics. Bye! Now we're going to watch the gymnastics. Now we're going to watch the dance. Watch dancer this time. Do you do anything else? Do some more. Done?